All right, welcome back, everybody. This is C. So I was just perusing the Reebok site, and they had a couple of intriguing deals. One I came across, I noticed that this newer release, Club C 85, was marked down, I think, from 110 to approximately $85, something like that. Anyway, it was right around $85 on sale. Didn't look like there were many left. I felt the need to do this review because honestly, this is my favorite shoe right now, my favorite sneaker. Basically, you can wear it with anything. The materials are fantastic. It's, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys saw I picked up my all-time grail, the Jet Life, the Currency Club C that has the storage pouch, and I plan to do that review soon. I picked up a used pair with the hemp laces. Awesome sneaker. And like I said, my biggest grail I've had collecting sneakers since I got into it with the Club C's. Anyway, this is probably second place right now. This sneaker has blown me away, and it's not from the information I've received of it. It's just plain, the proof is in the pudding with this one. So, as you can see, here's one pair, but I told you guys I really like this sneaker. So I've already picked up, and I got one full price right when they came out. They did another sale for about $85 a month or so ago. So I got a second pair for myself, just to have on ice. These are what I don't even need to be guilty or feel guilty about wearing them. So anyway, let's get into this brand new pair and look over the shoe itself and talk about the very few details that we actually do have on this sneaker. So, normal box, general release, what you see from Club C, with a general release, but it is not a general release quality shoe sneaker. It is, to me, like I said, it's my new favorite. I've loved the Minions for a long time. This one, I dig this one even more. It's just something about this sneaker that really hits home with me. But as you can see, it's a Club C 85. Chalk, Alabaster, Glen Green, GZ4945. So what I think really does it for me with these is the contrast stitch. I've noticed with the Bape and, the different... The Black Human Rights has the contrast stitch. Anyway, there's a few versions, but for whatever reason, I really dig the contrast stitch. Now, this has that. The uppers on this are not just suede. Reebok called them premium and luxe or deluxe. So this isn't just any regular suede. It's not hairy. It's not smooth like buttery, but it is nice. It looks great. There's a little texture to it, and it is cool. So anyway, great material there. Then, sticking with the materials here, this looks like, I think it's a ripstop type material. Almost like a plastic, but rubber. It's got that grain going on with it there. Real durable, I assume, and it looks pretty cool because it's not something we see on every sneaker, every Club C, every shoe. Okay, so I guess, like I said, there was a paragraph, 3 sentences describing this wonderful shoe. They said it comes from the climbing archives of Reebok, like rock climbing. So this nylon loop, they said, is based on a chalk bag. That's all the information we know. I've reached out to Reebok again, to another bigger person, trying just to allow me to have some information, facts about, upcoming releases and releases that are already out that would, myself, I want answers to. I can't be the only one. Maybe I am. Who knows? This did come with 2 pairs of laces. The white ones, the cream ones there, won't touch them for me with this, the elastic 2-toned lace. I really like. See, anything going on? Nope, doesn't have any branding or anything on the insole. Just a regular little tag there. You can tell this is the suede still with the tongue, real thin. But it does have some good cushion and padding underneath this nylon here. I got the branding box, pretty cool. A couple different bluish, greenish hues there with the Union Jack. I think it's the contrast stitch that really does it for me. I've been noticing, you know, that's the common denominator with sneakers that I'm really hyped after. You can see the quality here. You know, this is, you know, the the piping, I like to call it. Looks like nylon, but other than that, it's all, you know, this deluxe suede. Now, the last feature I want to talk about is this. I've never seen this before, except for there is another pair. They just came out with another Revenge. It looks like it's the Carolina blue colors, you know, a Nike type thing. And I think it has this detail as well. To me, it appears, you know, if you've ever done construction and sanded like wood putty, that's what it resembles to me. So I assume, you know, right there should be the Reebok mark branding. It's not. So I assume they sanded it all off. You know, they left the traction and the bumps up to the sanding lines here, sanded it all the way up to the, and didn't touch the top. But this whole face is sanded and has that texture and that striated or whatever type of a look, which is I've never seen before. So another really unique aspect of this shoe. So I'm going to stop talking about it. Obviously, you can tell I really dig this one. I have two pairs. This one's just going to sit on ice for me, and I'll have it later on after the other ones are trashed, because this is a shoe that is going to be in my collection for years to come. So I have more new releases coming. Stay tuned. I saw they just came out with 2 new pairs of Victoria Beckham colorways. So I have the 3 old colorways. I should probably maybe do either one long video or 3 separate ones, and the quality on those is just insane. I also need to do the other, you know, the Brain Dead Revenge, Reebok Revenge Club C Brain Dead, the one that they managed to keep hidden. I need to do a review on that as well, the follow-up from the previous review on the, you know, the unconfirmed leak and the whole story. On top of that, you know, I have a few other releases that I need to do. Looney Tunes, Flintstones. I have 4 pairs of mids I need to do. It's just all over the place. So my thing is, like 95% of the people out there watching these aren't subscribed. So, you know, if you're just stopping by once, I don't need to keep spending all this time. I'm still going to buy the sneakers, and I'm still going to enjoy them and post on IG. But as far as, you know, doing videos, please show me a little support. Ask some questions. Prove me wrong if I don't know something. That's all I want, is to learn and to get us a database, a library of information about the Club C. That's my goal. Answer the questions for you that I have. So anyway, this is my favorite shoe of the year so far, hands down. It's going to be a hard one to beat. It's not even a collab. Pretty cool. Anyway, you guys have a great day. C is out.